What's up, Flavor Family? Pitmaster Shane D, Dylan White, the chef, the man, the myth, the green bean roller upper, and the legend. We're here to screw up another classic. Green bean casserole is another one of those Southern classics, man.
This isn't screwing it up. This is putting the Griswold FA edition to it.
Right. We're going to punch it moose in the nose.
So, I mean, green bean casserole is one of my all-time favorites.
I agree.
And you can make it as simple as, you know, a can of Campbell's cream of mushroom, a can of green beans, a can of turkey onions. And that's good.
Yeah.
Or you can chef it up. You can make bechamels. You can do all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
But this one, I thought, as we were talking, you know, we made in a previous recipe these awesome stuffed mushrooms.
Right.
And a couple things. We had the stems left from when we cleaned those out.
Yep.
And we had all those stems left. And we were thinking about some stuff. And I said, hey, where's the green bean casserole? Let's do a little different.
Right.
And then Shane did what Shane does, and he takes it, and we tossed it around in the FA Wheel O What Happens.
Well, we batted it around like two cats with one mouse, you know.
There you go. Yeah, we got to one up the other, and this is what we came up with. So, some awesome stuffed mushrooms.
We got Bob back in the wheel of the stuffed mushrooms.
We got Bob. This is the stuffed mushrooms are the gateway drug of holiday cooking.
It's true.
All right, this is going to get you in there. This is going to take it another level. So Bob's going to get in the wheel, but hey, this time he might move up a spot.
Moving up. All right.
So this one's super simple. So these are just fresh green beans that we buy in the produce section, okay? Yep. Some bacon slices. We cut these in half, but we're just going to take, 4 or 5 of these suckers, kind of about the same length.
So
take your bacon.
I noticed you're using the thick bacon. Is that intentional?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. This is the nice thick cut bacon. You don't want that thin stuff.
Okay.
You got to have proper bacon to green bean and vegetable ratios and stuff. But thin end goes down first. So we're going to roll it up with the wider end down here. And then, we're just going to toothpick it. And then super simple. We're just going to throw these in the oven. You can throw them in the grill.
Absolutely.
The air fryer. I mean, you can probably even flat top them if you want to. But we're going to hit them down with double down. And we're going to get a nice liberal coating on that. Just like that. And for those of you that don't, double down is our dehydrated compound butter. So anywhere you're looking for rich flavor, double down's got you. And then we're coming with the 1-2 punch. This is the uppercut that you didn't see coming out of our gambler pack for steak, but this is our ante-up. And tell the folks that don't know what this is, Shane, what it does for them.
If you dehydrated a grill and ground it up, that's what ante-up is.
Ante-up is live fire flavor.
It really is. It's powdered grill.
So we're going to make these bundles. We're going to put them on a sheet pan. We're just going to bake these today. And then what we did is we took our stems from the mushrooms. We had some pieces where we cut off and cleaned up these green beans. We chopped some onions, gave them a quick sweat, saute in butter, hit them with a little cream, and some fresh garlic. Yeah. And that is our mushroom soup, if you will.
I'm going to tell you, you don't need anything else. You could eat just that soup.
Yeah, you could easily eat that. It's super simple.
All right, let's get these cooking.
So this is a 12-15 minutes at 375, 400 in the oven. The other thing I like about this for holidays is, look, they came out in the bundles. You saw how we made them and picked them. Yeah. You can make a bunch of them, pick them, bag them, have them ready to go. Yeah. The kids can help. This is something they love to help with. And then we made the best mushroom soup ever. And all we did with this, guys, this is super simple. We'll put the recipe up. We weren't going to show you because it's literally just a little bit of knife work and heating it up. But we used the stems from the mushrooms, diced up the stems. We diced up sweet onion, a little bit of garlic, sweated it in butter. Yep. Okay. Seasoned it with Burger Bomb.
And this is a curveball, but it's not really.
No, because the reason the Burger Bomb works in this is the same reason it works in the burgers. Like, it's got all that great rounded umami flavors and herbs and spices that goes fantastic, because that's what we're trying to do here. We want to make an umami savory bomb with that onion, garlic, and mushroom. So that's what we did. Melted the butter, sauteed lightly, sweated, if you will, the mushroom stems, the garlic, the onions. Then let the Burger Bomb bloom in that warm butter. add a little cream to it, and here you go. Here's our soup. And look at this awesome plate. You got the little mushroom bites. We got that. We got the bacon wrapped.
That's awesome.
So I got to tell you, man, I'm going to eat it.
Just as it is?
Wow.
The Ante up makes it taste right off the grill.
Mm.
The sauce. That should be in every green bean casserole. Like that. It's amazing. That is actually its own soup.
Close your eyes, and that's green bean casserole.
Well, like, it's a full holiday meal almost in a bite, right? It's everything you love about it. So we've set out to really screw up a bunch of classic Southern dishes. But I will say they're all winners. All right, where are they going to get all this stuff at?
So that's a great thing. You get it all at barbecueproshop.com. Make sure you get your Burger Bomb, your Double Down, your Ante Up, Flavor Anonymous, Pit Daddy Outfitters. We are here for you to bring the flavor back.
That's what we're here for. That's what we do. Until next time, guys, check out this recipe. We hope you cook it. If you like it, let us know. And if we can screw up any more Southern classics for you, go ahead and send them in. Until next time.
Peace.